Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are putting the F56 back together and taking it for its first drive. I am so excited to drive this car with the LSD and all the fluids being refreshed, and I'm just super stoked. I'm a little bit nervous about feeling the bushings and how stiff they're gonna be, but I'm excited. Race car, we need more vibrations. So let's get started on putting this car back together. Okay, so just finished draining the oil, drained both drain plugs, and then got to pull the filter out. Now I have my new K&N filter to go in, so go ahead and do that. Oh wow, it actually came with everything, which I was honestly a little bit nervous about. So our new filter, and then the replacement drain plug, and then the crush washer if you have the original bowl. If you guys don't remember, I have the little quick release drain plug in mine, which is great. Honestly, everybody should get one of these. Let's see if you can see it from here. This guy here, hang on, focus. This guy right here, so convenient, amazing, does not leak oil at all. It's great. You have to pull it forward and then push it down, releases oil. So much cleaner. It does take longer than your normal drain plug bolt though, which is my only complaint, but otherwise amazing. This is the worst oil filter placement ever, but second to the second gen minis, of course, because there's actually nothing worse than that in my experience. This one is just really hard to tighten down because of this, and I don't really know why anybody would make it like that. Front end is back together. Unfortunately, we are having tons of axle issues. I cannot get one that fits, and I've tried 3 different brands now. The center axle support piece that hooks on to the block of the car is just not fitting right, and then taking some measurements compared to the stock one, it's completely wrong. So I've tried multiple different brands now, and I'm just having absolutely no luck with that. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to try and order just a boot and reboot the axle, the OEM axle, so that it fits, which is such a bummer. I was really just hoping to replace the whole thing and not wing it with a rebooted axle and hope that that works, but it's fine. I'm sure that people do this all the time. It's fine. I personally just like replacing the whole part when something fails on it, but that doesn't seem like it's gonna be a possibility in this situation, unfortunately. Also, picked up suspension for the car. I picked up some KWs thinking I would put my camber plates with it. Totally not thinking about the fact that even though I have the V3s, they need the stock top hats or strut tops or whatever you want to call it. So another roadblock there with suspension, which is a huge freaking bummer because I was really hoping to do that all at the same time. But I don't think it's worth putting on the stock strut tops to run these, because without camber I'm not going to have a great alignment and I need more camber than stock is going to give me. So I think I gotta figure something out with that. So really bummed. Super happy to have the F56 back up and going and be able to drive this car. I literally missed it so much and I enjoy driving it so much. So super stoked to have it back. Like I said in the driving videos, it feels so much better. It pulls so freaking hard out of the corners now and it just feels great. I'm so happy. This LSD was definitely a very good investment for the car. The bushings are pretty stiff. You can feel it vibrating a lot more. No big deal. I mean, race car. So yeah, I'm super excited. Gonna source some suspension, figure that out for this car, and then we should be good to go back on track, which is so exciting. I'm so excited. Hopefully going to be setting a lot of new PBs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the rebuild, the repair, the upgrade of the F56. Peace out, and I will catch you in the next one.